I'm trying something new with a catch, clean, cook adventure of me in the Sierras. The lake is going to be Lake Sabrina, and I kind of tell you guys everything that needs to be done. Not needs to be done, but needs to be known on how I caught the fish. If you don't watch this whole video, you're probably going to get hemorrhoids. So, how to catch them first. Enjoy the video. And hopefully clean them, and then hopefully cook them. We'll see. Guys, it took me like 3 hours, and I finally caught one. So this is day 2. It's definitely not going to be catch, clean, and snack, because I only caught one fish yesterday. Kind of sprained my ankle yesterday, but we're here. I'm going to pack up camp, hopefully catch some more. Finally got one. Figured it out, maybe. Some salmon egg, power bait. Been doing pretty good. I have enough to cook, and I have 3, not 2, 3. I don't need any more, so I'm gonna go barbless and just try to catch some for fun. We're gonna clean and fillet some trout. Alright, I'm not going to save you guys the rest of this prep work, so just stay tuned for the sizzle. If you're going to comment some dumb shit, I know I'm not good. I know, I'm not a butcher. Don't fucking say shit. So I'm going to season this with what I call wigs. It's kind of whatever I got. I was scared. It's okay. I'm gonna finish off with this video. If you get it to 200 likes, I'll catch, clean, cook a rattlesnake. Kind of redneck now. I don't know. I was always just a hunter, but now it seems like I'm redneck. But I never catch, clean, cook rattlesnakes, but I will for you guys.